Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, thanks for coming to this video. Today I would like to present about negotiation skills. Before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Amelia Carlina from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. What is negotiation? Negotiation is a process which takes place when two or more interdependent parties who have different needs and goals work together to find a mutually acceptable and beneficial outcome. And what are negotiation skills? Negotiation skills are qualities that allow two or more parties to reach a compromise. These are often soft skills and include abilities such as communication, persuasion, planning, strategizing, and cooperating. Here are a few key negotiation skills that apply to many situations. First, communication. Essential communication skills include identifying nonverbal cues and expressing yourself in a way that is engaging. It is important to understand the natural flow of conversation and always ask for feedback. Active listening skills are also crucial for understanding the other party. By establishing clear communication, you can avoid misunderstanding that could prevent you from reaching compromise. And persuasion. The ability to influence others is an important skill for negotiation. It can help you define why your proposed solution is beneficial to all parties and encourage others to support your point of view. And the next is planning. In order to reach an agreement that benefits both parties, it is crucial you consider how the consequence will impact everyone in the long term. Planning skills are necessary not only for the negotiation process but also for deciding how the terms will be carried out. And the last is strategizing. The best negotiators enter a discussion with at least one backup plan, but often more consider all possible outcomes and be prepared for each of these scenarios. There is tips to improve your negotiation skills. Not all forms of negotiation are effective, and measuring success can be challenging. To evaluate your effectiveness, it is wise to identify how well your intended outcome aligns with the final agreement. Follow these tips to improve your negotiation skills. First, identify the final goal. Practice building rapport. Be willing to compromise. Consider imposing time restriction. Take the multiple over approach. Exercise confidence. Don't take no personally. Understand your weakness. And the last is practice. And there is several ways to strengthen your negotiation skills. First, identify the final goal. What are the minimum terms you need? How much are you willing to negotiate? It is important you enter negotiations knowing what you want out of an agreement and how much you are willing to compromise. And the second is practice building rapport. Successful negotiations require you to effectively communicate not only your own goals, but also to understand the other party's wants and needs as well. In order to reach an agreement, building rapport is essential. This can assist you in easing tension. In order to build rapport, showing respect for other parties and using active listening skills are critical. And the third is be willing to compromise. Without compromise, it can be nearly impossible to reach an agreement. By preparing ahead of time, you will already have an idea of the terms you're willing to sacrifice as well as the ones that if they are not met, you would be willing to walk away from the deal. And in the next is consider imposing time restrictions. Setting a timeline on the negotiations motivates both parties to reach an agreement. If terms cannot be met at the time, the two parties can take time to re-evaluate their needs and return at a later date. Take the multiple offer approach. By presenting multiple offers at once, you can save time in the negotiation process and increase the likelihood that you will agree on at least one of your preferred outcomes. If the other party declines, you can then ask for feedback on each one and revise them until you reach an agreement that meets everyone's needs. 6 is exercise confidence. It can be challenging to ask for what you want. However, successful negotiation requires self-assurance. By exercising confidence in your negotiation, the other parties can be more inclined to believe in the benefits of your proposal. The 7 is don't take no personally. Sometimes each party's goals and needs are too different to reach a compromise. When this happens, evaluate the process, consider why things that didn't go as planned, and look for ways you may be able to improve your effort next time. And next, understand your weaknesses. Take time to identify your areas of weakness and focus on growing those skills. For example, you may need to improve your ability to build rapport or your power of persuasion. Understanding your weakness is the first step to overcoming them. And next, practice. One of the best ways to increase your comfort in negotiation is to practice often. Consider trying a mock negotiation with a trusted friend or colleague. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention. The last I say, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.